So as Mr. Tackpans, as I break things down, you would be looking into the Hebrew Sephorath. Li to me, la to her, lo to him. Bai in me, ba in her, bo in him. The two letters named Beit are the only ones in the entire alphabet in which combine the letters of the divine name in this manner. The number 32 is the fifth power of 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. The corresponding path of the numbers of space on a 5-dimensional hypercube. This is not as difficult as it might seem. A line which has 2 dimension has 2 apexes, okay, apexes or ends. A square having 2 dimensions has 4 and 2 apexes. But remember, here's a flat piece of paper. I have the top and the bottom and the 2 sides, and I have the front and the back, 2 by 4. So if you're looking at different things, the Hebrew word for pants here is netva, a word that occurs only rarely in scriptures. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to turn this camera around. Can I turn this camera around? No, I can't. So I'm going to turn myself around. So when I talk about all these things that I break up as Mr. Tackpans, I'm not the only one doing it. This is the Hebrew Sephorath, or what they call, there's another dimension. There's many dimensions of the spirit world, the universe, the creation. And there's just so many things. I'm not even sure which way to go with this. The 32 paths of wisdom are therefore called nitivot. They are private paths which must be blazed by each individual. There is no open highway to the mysteries. Each individual must discover his own path. The numeric value of Natsvit is 462. Half of that is 231. ABC. This is twice the number of 231. Gates discussed below in 2.4. Remember, there's a reason for all names. The gates are means through which one ascends and descends along the paths of 32 BC creation. So I'm not going to really get into all of this right now, but the backgammon cube runs along the same cube. Eusaurus explains 1 and 5. This is where Mars and 1/4 time comes in, or the 15 minutes in an hour making 1/4 time. The 10 Sephorath define a 5-dimensional space equaling to 44, okay, which is 5. 4 times 4, 4 plus 4, 16 and 8, the 24-hour day. 1 and 6, the half-life. 1 and 6 equals to 7. 7 and 8, the gateway to the heavens, to the 2 pathways. Don't forget, if you have a cord which has 2 ends, also has 2 sides to the cord, and the above and below. Thank you for watching this video.